Number 2. It changed how people reacted to war. Before the Vietnam War, many civilians saw war as a necessary evil. Signing up was a noble pursuit, and people generally supported their country's war efforts. However, Vietnam changed all that. As the war waged on and the death count rose, people started to question the morality and validity of the Vietnam War. Cases of conscientious objectors rose as people resisted military service because fighting in Vietnam went against their personal beliefs. However, historically, conscientious objection was tied to religious beliefs rather than moral ones, and the U.S. government prosecuted many conscientious objectors for failing to comply with draft orders. This action fueled objections to the war and widened the chasm between those who still felt military service was a duty and the rising number of people who believed it should be a choice. Nowadays, civilians more readily question the validity of wars and openly explore their government's motives without blindly following the proposed status quo.